Grand Furniture Showroom with Jackie and Steven. Thanks so much for having us.
Thanks for being here.
So what do you do here?
We are visual merchandisers, so we take the product that Grand offers, it comes in on a regular basis, and we make it pretty for the showroom so the customer can visualize it in their own home.
Wonderful. You can take all of my crazy ideas and make it one gorgeous place.
Exactly.
Awesome. So one big thing that a lot of couples and families have to deal with is integrating their two homes and still making it a family house environment, right?
Correct.
Yes.
So how can you do that?
It's about merging two lifestyles, and an easy way to do it is if you're taking one sofa set from one household and blending it with another, you can do it with easily blend it with accessories, and you can soften it up. If you're starting fresh and new with a brand new set from Grand Furniture, gray is the new neutral.
Okay.
So gray is the easiest way to blend with any color that you choose to work in your home, of whatever color palette you choose to work with. So it's the best way to, pillows are a great way to accessorize and change up the look of a piece.
Right, so you can almost find a really great set that you can last a lifetime, right?
Correct.
And then
Correct.
change it up with some accessories.
Right, so whatever the new hot color is of the season, it's easy to change it up later down the line as long as you have a good staple to start with, like a
Right.
sofa.
Changing accessories is also budget friendly.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Which is a big hot topic around your wedding, of
Correct.
course.
Correct.
Wonderful. Can you show us some of those pillows?
Yes, we can. Let's go choose some. So the set we have here is already on the masculine side with the gray tones and then the blue pillows. We have some of the industrial look with the metal vases and the greenery, and then a more masculine, neutral, transitional lamp. And then we can always make it more feminine with these pillows. And then we can also change up with the cocktail table and end tables and make that a little more feminine. By changing out the pillows, the cocktail table, and the lamp, it made the whole setting a little bit more feminine and changed the whole look. You can also change up to something a little more family friendly with a geometric design and has more of the gray tones. And we can also introduce other accessories that work with these pillows. Simply by changing a few accessories, we kept the main staples of the sofa and love seat and made it more family friendly. We took away the glass, we incorporated a more industrial lamp and accessories, a tabletop, and we replaced the cocktail table with a cocktail ottoman, which is a little softer for little ones, and again with more industrial, so it's more family friendly for when your family grows.
This is absolutely amazing. Accessories really can change the story of a room.
They absolutely can. It's such an inexpensive way to change up your room with your existing furniture that you may already have, or when you change to something brand new that Grand can offer you.
Thank you guys so much. I've learned so much. And I mean, I'm buying accessories now.
Absolutely. Thank you for being here.
Yeah,
Thank you.